Hey guys, welcome to Fitness to Food. Sweet craving is the biggest problem of me and it can be of yours too. So let's make an healthy alternative. Let's make some cocoa chia pudding. Let's get started.
Alright guys, the first thing what we will take is cocoa powder. Then I'll add some stevia. And then now I'll add a teaspoon of water. I'll mix it up completely and make sure everything is mixed properly. As you can see, some lumps are happening when I'm mixing. And now, after mixing it, I'll add some chocolate essence. And again, I'll add some tablespoon of water. And again, I'll mix it up. Now as you can see, I'll add one more tablespoon of water till I get a smooth paste consistency. Now as you can see, the paste of chocolate is nicely smooth. Now I'll add 1 cup of water to it. Now I'll again mix it up and make sure there is no thick or uneven paste or residue in it. Now I'll add some chia seeds to it. I'll mix the chia seed uniformly because sometimes chia seeds have a big bunch which is not soaked properly, so that's why I'll mix it up thoroughly so I can get a uniform chia seed pudding. Now I will cover this up and keep it for resting for more than 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, as you can see, all the liquid is been soaked by chia seeds. Now let's talk about calorie content. Cocoa powder, about what I have used is 20 grams of it and it has 48 calories. Stevia, on the other hand, has 0 calories. At the same time, chocolate essence and water also has 0 calories. And then we'll add some chia seeds which has again 48 calories. So in total it's 96 calories, which is under 100 calories.
Hope you guys like this video and make sure you subscribe. Share this recipe with the person who is suffering from sweet craving. And second thing, always eat healthy but make sure it's tasty. Myself Dhaval Kilkar signing off.